What is up, everyone? Charlie Brown, Jackson Adventures, and today we are here with the $5 Wendy bag alert. Let's see what we get. Got a Sprite here. Got some fries. A straw there. We got our nuggies with both sauces, sweet and sour, and honey mustard, which is a must. Buster Brown said, "Yeah, boy, another one, Dad." Yes, sir. Little bites. Set that there. Alright. This looks like this is just a double, you know, it's a 4-piece nuggies. The sauce should be over here. Yeah. Got some good fries. I got a Frosty in the refrigerator. Open this up, see what it is. It's supposed to be just a regular joint, you know what I mean? Not too bad. Just a bacon cheeseburger, you know what I'm saying? Not the best, not the greatest, but it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than a lot of other stuff. Not too bad. Bacon's crispy. Right, you can get some. Buster Brown's like, woo-wee. That's that there. Open up the sweet and sour. That smells good too. Boom. Set that there. You alright, bud? Open up the honey mustard. You alright? You smell it? He said, "Get on with it, buddy." It's only a 4-piece chicken nuggets. Not too bad. Wendy's got good nuggets. Not like McDonald's, but they're good. Glad they gave me both sauces. One more with the honey mustard. Alright. That's good. Couple fries. Now, Wendy's got good fries. They don't got too bad of fries. They're pretty thick, solid, square. What are they doing? That's the bacon cheeseburger. Not too bad. really good. Dave Thomas will be proud. Troy Brown's Excellent Adventures. $5 bag alert. Peace out.